Good evening, everybody. I am Ravikant Desai, working as Area Manager Sales, working for Hyderabad Central and reporting to Mr. Irshad Faridi. For the last 6 months, I have performed to the tune of 4.02 with a team working and achieving the goal towards the target of 9.42. And in the coming 6 months, my team would be doing 34.95 with my sales contributing to the 8.50. And I have a plan of this to achieve this target with the call average maintaining 12 and proposal submission being 12, which was earlier at 8. I would like to increase with dedicatedly putting my all efforts with my team so as to achieve my target. And in the coming year, I would like to contribute to the tune of 48.37 lakhs with an average coming up to 1.15 per month per person. And this can be achieved only with the working with the team, constantly monitoring their call activity as well as their hot, warm, cold prospects in order to get this target. And not only this, I have to make a creation of big tickets which will be vetted by me as well as by seniors, which will help in getting these orders closed. And this could help in getting this sales revenue as well as the sales target being achieved. And as I feel very proud in working with Ceasefire for the past 7 years. This is my 8th year running. I'll be dedicating and contributing my sales target to the full as per the expectations of the company with full energy so as to go to a next level, which is branch manager down the line of next 6 months or 3 months, as much as I can do for this. And I would be proud to work under the dynamic leadership of Mr. TG Srinivasan and Mr. Irshad Faridi. And I would like to just share a story of mine. I was just fresher coming and joined in the Ceasefire, which I don't know anything. I got frustrated and I've taken a decision that to take a walk out of this company. But to my surprise, a client called me and placed an order of 25,000, which boosted up my confidence. And as till now, I have achieved consistently of my target, whatever management has given. And as a brand, Ceasefire, by name itself, it creates a power and reputation. And even if 100 companies comes forward with the same concept of manufacturing our fire extinguisher, nobody can beat Ceasefire. And I would like to just share a small message. Like, as a duck seems to be very quiet and peace on water, but there's a lot of restless paddling going on inside, underneath the water. So what my message to the people who have joined recently is, nothing comes easy. We need to sweat out a lot. And I just communicate this message to my juniors who have joined recently. So honestly and dedicatedly put your best efforts and go for your goal and be the best part in Ceasefire. Jai.